Hey guys, hi, welcome to CDC Mentors. My name is Ketan. So if you remember, a couple of days before, I did conduct one of the session. It was about the best strategy that you can kind of start with your preparation. Which was actually done for the repeaters. So those who are repeating CAT this time, those who had given 19 CAT and now also going for 2020 wala CAT. So that strategy was for those people. Now I'm going to kind of twist this strategy a little bit. So what was the strategy all about? Now this is something can be done by first timer also. So you are somebody who's writing CAT 2020 for the first very much time, then you can definitely use this strategy. So क्या था strategy? The simple way. Strategy was have a look at 17, 18, 19 का paper. ठीक है, CAT का पेपर मैंने बोला था to have a look at. And once you look at the CAT का paper, right, you should be focusing on type of questions that you can get in CAT. Okay, then you need to understand the level of difficulty, which is one of the most important thing, right? And then what you can do and what you can't do, right? ये मेरा simple सा strategy था, right? Now I also requested students to kind of give me a feedback on the strategy, whether it helps them or it does not. I got a lot of feedbacks, to be very honest, and students did say that it helped them quite well. But I'm going to share one of my current students feedback on the same thing. So he gave 19 ka CAT, and he actually gone ahead with the same strategy, and this is what his analysis is all about. So he said that as far as verbal is concerned, the main thing is flow of the RC and speed of the RC. So when last time he was preparing, he did not have these things, and because of which he couldn't do very well in VRC, right? And then he also told me about the LRDI. Now in LRDI he said that there are certain sets, he found that those sets were actually new for him. Okay, so this is something can become his to-do list, that do something. I'm not saying that new things, but then try to do variety of sets as far as DI or LR is concerned. Then he said that in 2019 he couldn't do the section very well. When he referred the paper recently, he could do it more than couple of sets with ease. Okay, therefore didn't attempt it and went, okay, I had noted down that the sets. So this is what he's learning, is that he's saying that the sets with possibilities, arrangements, number series, he needs to work a lot on. So this is going to be his to-do list for the next couple of months, and this is where he need to pay a lot of attention. And this is something quite important. This is patent type of questions that you can get in CAT का LRDI. You will be seeing them in 2020 also, that's for sure. ये 2016, 17, 18, 19 में भी आए हैं, 2020 में भी आने वाले हैं, that's for sure. Now, so this is what he said, as far as the quants is concerned. Now let's move ahead and try to understand the analysis on the quants. Okay, so according to him, that he understood that he's a little bit weak in the algebra at number system, and this is where he need to start. So guys, if you understand, this is a damn good detailed analysis wherein this person has done a SWOT analysis of his strength and weakness areas, right? And this is where you need to do. This is where you need to put in efforts. This is where you need to start from. Rather than directly jumping on, any sort of, material or any sort of, question, it's quite important that you do SWOT analysis पहले. Understand कि previous years के CAT में क्या आया था, आपको कितना आता है, कौन से टाइप का LOD आप मैनेज कर सकते हो. आपको अगर लगता है आपका VRC थोड़ा स्ट्रॉन्ग है, थोड़ा क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करके देखो पिछले 3 साल के CAT के पेपर्स का, you will get an idea. Now this is the best method to kind of kickstart your preparation, whether you are repeater, whether you are second timer, third timer or first timer. ये आपको एक बहुत अच्छा idea देगा कि what, this is the way you need to move ahead. Then you can kind of identify your weakness, okay, understand your weakness and then start working on it, because for the next 3 months I want you all to work on your weaknesses, because जो strong areas है वो आप बाद में भी cover कर सकते हो. जहाँ तक अपना relationship concerned है कि यार weak areas की मेहनत और वीक एरियाज की इंप्रूवमेंट, राइट, तो दोनों में थोड़ा ज़्यादा टाइम लगेगा. बट अगर हम बात करेंगे स्ट्रॉन्ग एरिया की मेहनत और स्ट्रॉन्ग एरिया की इंप्रूवमेंट, उसमें थोड़ा सा रिलेशन अलग होता है, तो कम समय में वहाँ पे ज़्यादा बेनिफिट आपको मिलेगा. This is what I'm trying to tell you. So this is the way I want you all to kind of begin your CAT. And trust me, CAT is all about strategy. You can work a lot, you can work harder, you can give a lot of mocks over there. But yeah, you got to have a strategy. So trust me, if you follow your strategy very well, and if you understand the strategy, and if you follow it religiously, you will definitely be in profit. I had made a lot of videos last year also for CAT preparation, what 2019 strategy. A lot of students did follow it. They got amazing results. I'm going to show it to you right now. So here are the results. 99.95. Yasti, my student from Mumbai, she got 99.78. Manohar 99.40. Anjun is joining SPC and converted. Abro, he has couple of calls from baby IMs at new IMs 98.71. They just got 99 percentile in VARC, vernacular student. Earlier it was 50 percentile in VRC in 2018, then 2018, perfect. And 2019 CAT he got 99 percentile. CMAT 99.97, All India rank 17. Avdut 99.50 and 99.97 in CET. Anand got 99.77 in CMAT. Also, these are the students, they have already joined in IIMs. प्रत्युष का आपने ऑलरेडी देखा है TWT, भार्गव का TWT आपने ऑलरेडी देखा है. पूजा गॉट 98.37. Yeah, so Saurabh is like CMAT rank 17. आपने इसका भी TWT देखा होगा, मैं का भी देखा होगा TWT. आपने Excel आ रहा है, she is nailing it over there. So this is what actually helps when you actually go ahead and start following strategy, because at the end of the day, strategy can play a vital role for you to convert your CAT. So guys, wish you all the very best with this. Stay tuned to my channel. Kindly subscribe to my channel if not you have done yet. I will be posting a lot of videos on CAT and MBA stuff. So guys, that's it from my side. Do apply this funda and then comment on the video whether it helps you or not. So guys, that's it from my side. Thank you so much.